Quantum hack FUD on Bitcoin are back. Every cycle, this discussion comes up whether Bitcoin is secure from future quantum attacks or not. So, without getting too technical, let's understand if this FUD is real or do you need to worry. Google released a white paper that claims that Bitcoin can be cracked in under 9 minutes. This white paper claims that instead of 1 million qubits, they only now need 500k qubits, which means it is 5 lakh qubits. Google did the same in 2019, claiming that it had achieved quantum supremacy with just 53 qubits and it could lead to the demise of blockchain technology. In 3 years, this news will be a decade old and they still don't have any such machines to show. So the headlines suggesting that Bitcoin has a time bomb ticking in next 3 years are misleading. This kind of machine at 500x strength of capabilities in next 3 years are impossible to create. And now the question in the debate is what happens when these machines arrive. Bitcoin is the most upgradable software out there and is open source. And developers are always shipping in the last 2 decades. That's why it's always strengthening and nobody is able to stop it. Similarly, a decade is a well enough time for developers to encounter a problem and solve it that doesn't even exist yet. Interestingly, there are conspiracy theories going around about some foundation like Ethereum that are behind this panic and psyop about quantum. Crypto Twitter was very fast to call out that one of the co-author of this white paper is an Ethereum employee. And suddenly, few hours later, employees of Ethereum Foundation started releasing that Ethereum is going post-quantum. The conclusion of the quantum threat is very simple. If this kind of machine ever arrives, the first thing that will start collapsing are our banking systems, the entire internet, including our mails, WhatsApp, and country nuclear codes. And the qubits required to break these technologies are much lower than Bitcoin's cryptography. And Satoshi was already prepared for quantum 2 decades ago. In fact, Satoshi's Bitcoin are scattered over 22,000 addresses and it takes billions of dollars to crack even one, which makes it economically infeasible. Bitcoin can soft fork to quantum resistant signatures year before any real threat arrives. So, stay sharp, stay safe because they don't like your Bitcoin.